Yeah! I sorry, I messed up the direction the other time. You make the left, then you know how you make a right down there? You make another left. I see you make the big long nice cartoon circle. What? You go left, and then it's the one that goes down forward. And you follow that road, you make another left. And then next to the left? Yes. Yes, left, then left. Remember, 2 hours, and then left. Have a nice day.
Give us a honk! Ah. Your shoulder sign.
Did you get it?